Hi, I'm Andy. Welcome to Renovate, Innovate. Today I'm going to show you how to put two pictures up. Put it up like that, and we put it up like that. Hi, I'm Andy from Renovate Innovate, and today I'll be showing you how to hang a couple of pictures using these picture hooks on this wall. Very simple job. All the tools you'll need will be linked in the description below. If you do like this video, remember to like and share it, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell to get all notifications for all the amazing videos we've got on our channel. Thanks for watching for now, and I'm just going to crack on and get these pictures on. Right, so first of all, tools you'll be needing for this job, very simple: picture hooks, some pictures, pencil for marking, some tape for marking. We'll put the tape on the wall rather than mark the wall where you want the pictures to be, and the hooks, tape measure, a hammer, and in this case, a tester as well, just to give yourself confidence. We're going to test the wall to make sure there's no electricity behind there or anything. With these nails, they won't be penetrating far enough through the plasterboard to cause any issues anyway. So, but just to be sure, we'll test it with this. Let's just crack on with this. So first thing we're going to do is find the middle, because the first picture has to go in the middle, about eye level. So we'll find the middle of this wall at an approximate eye level. So about this kind of height. There you go. Get that tape nice and straight. Going to mark the wall there where we've measured, and that distance is coming in at 116.5 centimetres. A top tip for finding out the halfway point, just to bend your tape over so it meets the end there, and then read that little set, the measurement in the middle, which is coming in at 58.25 centimetres, I think that is, so that should be bang on. Right, so we've marked that up there. We'll know we'll know that's in the right place. In this instance, the chicken will tell us. Oh, there you go. 1 for yes, 2 for no. Yeah, we're in the right place. So we've got the height, we've got the distance to the middle. Now the first picture we've got going on is this one, which is going to hang with the middle of the frame at eye level there. So what we're going to have to measure, size of the frame, half of the frame, and then the distance from where our nail is going to be, our hook, to the top of the frame as well. So in this case, it's 200 millimeters. Again, a little bit of tape. And we'll measure up from there, half of that distance, which is 100 millimeters. I'll put a mark there. And then from that point, we'll measure down 30 millimeters. Takes us to where our hook will be. There it is. That's where our first one will be. Now we've found our point where we'd like the picture, we're going to make sure that it's safe to put it there. We've got one of these testers which detects electricity. So we'll put that there. It's not detecting any, so I know we're safe to put that through there. I'm looking down here for signs of any plumbing work, and there's nothing, so we're quite sure there's no pipes running through there. Plasterboard wall, we're okay just to carry on. So we're using these simple picture hooks, put the nail through there, offer it up to where we want it, and then we just simply hammer that home. Go. That's it, we drive that in there, and then we just remove this tape, and we're ready to hang our first picture on the wall. Just lift the tab on the back out of there, and then find out where it's going. right where they want it. Our second picture, slightly different. It's only got a single triangular hook on the back of this, so all we're going to use is a nail to hold this in place. And I want this just somewhere around there. As you can see, we're going to have to test. There's no electricity where we want to be putting our nail, so we'll test that now. I'm just going to mark this on the wall first for height. And then we're going to measure so it's in the middle of the wall in the frame. 47. Half of 47. It's coming at 23 and a half. So we'll come over 23 and a half centimeters. Top of our frame, the middle. So before we put this nail in, I tested this to make sure it's safe. There's nothing showing up on our tester, so we'll just put this nail in. Again, hold it in place, a few small taps. We don't have to drive it all the way home. That's it, then we'll remove our tape and offer up our picture. There we have it. Simple as that. We can test that these are level with a little level on top. Or eye them in. Very simple job. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hope it's given you the confidence to have a go yourself. If you have liked the video, please hit that like button, share the video, subscribe to our channel where you'll see loads of other videos. Great videos, home improvement, all sorts of things we've got on there. Yeah, so we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.